हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss about the module Properties of Determinants. This module is a part of the course Elementary Mathematics under the Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. The determinant is a number associated with any square matrix. We will write it as a determinant of A. The determinant inputs a lot of information about the matrix. The matrix is invertible exactly when the determinant is non-zero. Now we take important properties of determinants. First, reflection property. The determinant remains unaltered if its rows are unchanged. Rows are changed into columns and the columns into rows. This property is known as the property of reflection. Second is all zero property. If all the elements of a row or column are zero, then the determinant is zero. Third property is proportionality property or repetition property. If the all elements of a row or the column are proportional, identical to the elements of some other row or the column, then the determinant is zero. Fourth, switching property. The interchange of any two rows or any two columns of the determinant changes its sign. Number 6 property of determinant is the scalar property or the scalar multiple property. If all the elements of a row or the column of a determinant are multiplied by non-zero constant, then the determinant gets multiplied by the same constant. Number 6 property is some property. Just we can see this example here. In this determinant, the first column is A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2 and A3 plus B3. Now this determinant can be written as a sum of two determinants where the first is A1 A2 A3, C1 C2 C3 and D1 D2 D3 plus B1 B2 B3, C1 C2 C3 and D1 D2 D3. The seventh property is called the property of invariance. In this property we can see a determinant A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2 and A3 B3 C3 is equal to A1 plus alpha B1, A2 plus alpha B2, A3 plus alpha B3 is the first column. The rest columns are same. That is, a determinant remains unaltered under an operation of the form Ci is just replaced by Ci plus alpha Cj and plus Bk, where and beta are any scalar values. Number 8 property is factor property. If a determinant becomes 0, when we put x equal to alpha, then x minus alpha is a factor of determinant del. Number 9 property is the triangle property. If all the elements of a determinant above or below the main diagonal consist of zeros, then the determinant is equal to the product of diagonal elements. That is, in this determinant we can see one triangular upper triangular determinant is given and one lower triangular determinant is given, and the value of these two determinants is equal to A1, B2 and C3. That means it is the main diagonal values here. Number 10th property is the determinant of cofactor matrix. In this property here, determinant of cofactor matrix, a determinant is given that del is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and similarly A31, A32 and A33. Then del 1 is equal to, it is column matrix like here, it is column determinant here C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32 and C33. Where del square, where Cij denotes the cofactor, it is cofactor, C denotes cofactor, not the column, like Cij denotes the cofactor of determinant of the element Aij in del. So this is the determinant of cofactor matrix and del square where Cij denotes the cofactor of the element Aij in del, and this del square is equal to determinant and which is equal to del 1. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, JLC Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.